There are many different types of household wire used in modern construction. Most wire or conductors are made from copper because it conducts electricity well. Wires or conductors are colored to indicate its designated use and purpose. For example, a conductor wire with a black insulated coating usually supplies power to an electrical device, outlet, or light. A white coated wire or neutral wire returns the current back to its source, and a green or bare copper wire are used as grounds. Other colors such as red and blue may be used as additional hot wires. Bundled wires are known as cables. Most cables used in home construction are 2 or more insulated wires encased in an outside protective coating called non-metallic sheathing. These often contain 2 or 3 wires bundled together with an additional copper ground wire. Wires are measured by their gauge or thickness. Remember, the thicker the wire, the smaller its gauge number. For instance, a 10-gauge wire is thicker than a 14-gauge wire. Also, the thicker the wire, the more current it can take without heating up. Most household wires are 14, 12, or 10 gauges in thickness. On the sheathing of most cables, you can read the description of the type of cable you're using. For instance, if you read 10-2 on a cable, you know that you're using 10-gauge wire with 2 conductors, white and black, and a ground wire. A 12-3 description indicates you're using 12-gauge wire with 3 conductors and a ground wire. It is also the current trend that different gauge wire cables have different color sheathing. 14 gauge is white, 12 gauge is yellow, and 10 gauge is orange.